Today we are working on 2005 Sprinter. I'm going to remove the fan and drive it for a month or so. Tools that we are going to use is a 10mm, 8mm Allen, Phillips and flat screwdrivers, and T45 Torx. I don't have a thermostat, and my antifreeze is I'm driving about 6-7 months already, not on a 50-50, but on maybe like 80-20, 80% of pure antifreeze. So to pull out the thermostat out of the thermostat housing, it's so simple. You just wanna take off that oil filter cap, remove this bolt right here from the diesel fuel line, then just take any screwdriver, tilt it down the whole line, and you have a perfect access to 3 bolts, 1 here, 2 and 3. Disconnect temperature sensor, and I would drain about a gallon of antifreeze to lower down the level. So you take the thermostat housing, remove this part, press and twist it and pull out. It's so simple. That's if you want to remove the thermostat. First you want to remove the grill, then untie this bolt, 4 bolts out of the radiator support. Those clamps, radiator support should be out. Okay, then I have this nice 2x2, pretty handy. It's about 10.5 inches long. It fits perfectly here, so it's giving us this little space that we need. 8mm Allen. Let the fun begin. So on this bolt I would never put thread lock. Be very careful, don't scratch the radiator, the fan out of the balance, all this dust and dirt. Okay, so our beloved fan is out. It's a little dirty. Yeah, goodness, it's quite a bit dirty. Oh yeah. Goodness, I thought just a little tiny fan, but it is blowing good. So the connector gonna stay connected. I'm gonna put electric tape here. And right here. And check out my switch. This is to engage the second battery. And this is for fan. Putting everything back together, and it should be good. Alright, and you are all done. So by removing this fan that is driven by the serpentine belt, it should give us a little better MPGs, and we have backup fan from the condenser. And also our coolant is 80-20, and we have no thermostat. The coolant level should stay nice and low, so I'm going to drive for a little bit and let you guys know. Stay tuned, my friends.